Have you ever felt that sometimes repairing an iPhone is more expensive than seeing a doctor? You tell the repairman, "My phone is stuck in a white screen," and he glances at it and says, "The motherboard's burned out, needs replacing, $300. Really? I don't believe it! Many times, your iPhone just has a software cold, but they want to perform brain surgery. Today, I'll teach you how to use an app to diagnose your own phone in 5 minutes before sending it in for repair. Avoiding being ripped off. What you need is Gbyte. Connect your phone, open it. Look, for example, this classic white screen. You can use Gbyte's standard repair. If it fixes it, congratulations. A few tens of dollars. It wasn't a hardware problem at all. If it won't charge, don't rush to replace the charging port. Connect it to Gbyte. If it can recognize your device, it's likely just a system power management glitch. Try advanced repair. It works wonders. The scariest is a completely black screen. But if Gbyte can still detect it when connected to a computer, then there's still hope. Give it a shot with the most powerful deep repair. If even Gbyte doesn't respond at all, well, then you might really need to take it to a repair shop. Got it? With this tool, you can make a preliminary diagnosis yourself. If it can be solved with software, don't waste money on hardware. Gbyte is like buying health insurance for your iPhone. One purchase, and the whole family's iPhones will work. Don't waste money on those motherboard problem fallacies anymore. Like this video to protect more people's wallets. Remember, knowledge is power and saving is earning. Remember to subscribe to notifications. See you next time.